Many call Cleveland the most cursed sports city in America, but LeBron James and the Cavaliers have done the unimaginable, coming back from a 3-1 deficit in the finals to win the first NBA title in franchise history. The last time a Cleveland team won a championship was over 50 years ago when the Browns won their fourth NFL championship in 1964, though that was before the creation of the Super Bowl. Now, this is the first time any NBA team has come back from down 3-1 to win the finals, but there are a few teams who got close. The 1950-51 Knicks dug themselves out of an 0-3 hole to force a Game 7, but would eventually lose to the Rochester Royals. Bill Russell's Celtics ruined the '66 Lakers' chances at a finals comeback. Boston blew a 3-1 lead and let Jerry West in LA force a Game 7. Eventually, the Celtics came out victorious, capturing their 8th straight title. This is LeBron James' 3rd title in 7 chances, and he now joins a slew of NBA players with 3 rings, including Larry Bird, James Worthy, and Dwayne Wade.